Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a memory spread for February 5th through the 11th, and I'm using this from the Crafty Banana. This is the notebook kit, but I don't have all the pages. I bought this during like a glitch sale or something like that, so I'm gonna have to pull in some other things, but here's what I have. I have the deco, which is beautiful, which I don't have full boxes, so these like large deco pieces are gonna come in handy. And then I have some 8 half boxes. I do have the bottom washi and washi strips. And then I have this sheet with the date covers, weekend banner, and some icons. And then I have this sheet with quotes, and then the freebie that came with it. So it's not a lot to work with, but I do have a lot of pictures over here, so I think that and the big deco, I think that I will be fine. I also brought out these 4 washi because I think that they will work well with this spread, especially this one. The colors work really, really well, so I might try to incorporate some of these in the spread. So, as usual, I'm going to speed you through and do a voiceover, and we'll be done with it really quickly. We'll say that. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the bottom washi and put that down. It is this really pretty kind of watercolory pattern. And then I'm going to use this, I'm going to start with the date covers up there. So I went ahead and wrote in the dates and then popped those right on the top of the full boxes. And then on Sunday, I am going to go ahead and white out the pink flag because it doesn't match. And then I'm going to use that same wood washi that I showed you before. And we're going to put in the little bitty flags because this is an old formatted kit. And so it had that little tiny flag for the old Erin condren. So I just layer that on top and then put down the date cover. And then I just did the same thing on the other side. So I whited out the pink flag and then just made me one with the wood washi and then layered this over. I kind of made that flag too long, but I was too lazy to go back and fix it. Oh well. So then I had to decide, since I didn't have any full boxes, what was I going to do with this little quote section. I could have used one of the 4 quotes that I had, excuse me, but I wanted to use those in the spread. So I just layered some of this white brick washi and then put the car on top of it. I thought that turned out really cute. And then I searched through some of my Happy Planner sticker books and I found this heart. It's like a teal color, and I just put that in the corner. I don't really have a strong theme with this week. It's just kind of a pretty, like, notebook theme. I don't know. It's not a love theme. Not the content of the spread anyway. So then I put down a piece of that purpley washi and then a little peach heart and put this week on it for my journaling section. And then I went ahead and put this wood washi all the way across the top. Looking back, I probably should have trimmed it down, but it's okay. And I left a little bit of a white space between the date covers and that washi. And then there's the weekend banner. Okay, so on Monday, I started with a flag and put day off. And then I decided to kind of list what I did. So I took my tweezers and these tiny little dots. And the first one says dentist went well. I hate going to the dentist. And then the second one said oil change. And I have very expensive maintenance coming up. I drive long ways every day, and so I always do the maintenance on my car no matter what, just to keep it running well. And so, yeah, they told me that I had a very expensive one coming up. It's going to be like close to $1,000. Yuck. Then at the bottom, I went ahead and put my video that I uploaded that day, and then this quote box that says, I want all of you forever, you and me every day, which is from the movie. It's so sweet. And then I put that little Fox and Pip girl with the to-do list and put, so damn productive today, which I was. And then I went ahead and put in my other videos from later in the week. And then I put down the little blue dress, which I think is so cute and pretty. And then this little teardrop with the paperclip to put busy day, no busy week, because it was insane. This is why I hate to be gone from work. I mean, I like having days off, but at the same time, you come back to like so much. So I put down a little piece of washi to kind of separate that work section from this section about my swim, and I put best swim yet. And I put I am frustrated though. I'm actually gaining weight even though I am working hard at my diet and exercise. I know muscle weighs more than fat, but still. Yeah, it's kind of a frustrating process. And you'd think it'd be easier, like once you've been through it so many times, but it's still hard. And then up on Wednesday, I put this quote that says, I think our love can do anything we want it to, which I think is so sweet. And then underneath that, I put this little box that says, current mood, so much ugh. And I just said, not feeling work this week. It's not bad, I'm just tired. And then on that half box, I put that I took a rest day after my swim yesterday. I really pushed myself on Tuesday, and so I was exhausted from work and from that swim. So I just took a rest day. And then I just put the little swan from the deco. I'm looking through things, but I'm going to pick up the swan, and I'm going to put that at the bottom of that column. Like that. And then on Thursday, I started with the letters with the ribbon around them, which is beautiful. And then I put a half box with this girl wrapped up in a blanket from Paper Princess. And I put, gave up on my workout today. I think I lasted like a few minutes. And then I put that quote box down on Sunday evening just to kind of create some balance. And then I put down a picture of from Fox and Pip, this free printable. It says, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself. So I was taking care of myself that night. I needed some rest. And then I took a picture of my sampler with Sadie stickers. I just thought that was cool. It's my first one. I'm sure the newness will wear off, but I just thought that was cool. And then up on Friday, I put a half box with the little envelope and a bow sticker from Sadie Stickers and put mailed out Valentine's Day cards to Gray and Chase. Gray's my nephew, Chase is my sister. And then I put down this quote box that said, this is my favorite one. It wasn't over, it still isn't over. I love that moment in the movie. And then put down this book. It says, read this to me and I'll come back to you. I guess it's the journal or whatever. Okay, and then I put down a picture of my fireplace project, and on the half box, I put the little scissors, and my fireplace project turned out so cute. And then on Saturday, I put that coffee cup from Sadie Stickers, and then put lazy morning until. And then in the half box, I put scare with Chase getting lost. So Chase is my sister with special needs, and she got lost that day. It was really scary because I don't live where my parents live, and so it was just like over the phone. It was nerve-wracking. And then under that, I put but and a half box vertically. And I'm searching again. I don't know what I was looking for. And then I put down this quote box, which I love, or this quote picture. It says, be messy and complicated and afraid to and show up anyways. So on the half box, I put some good, sad, messy, therapeutic conversations after what happened. So it was good. Things happen for a reason, you know? And then up on the top of Sunday, I put, it is the hard days, the days that challenge you to your very core, that will determine who you are. You will be defined not just by what you achieve, but how you survive. And then I put that swan down on that, kind of layered it over that quote box. And then on the half box, I cleaned and stress ate to keep my mind off of things. I was still kind of like, my anxiety was up from the day before. And then I relaxed. So I put that little Fox and Pip girl with her little wine glass in the bathtub. And you can't see it right now, but I'm putting down some deco at the bottom of my journaling section. The shoes and the little hat. And then I decided to move over that flag and then put the coffee cup beside it. So in my journaling section, I put, they say that the hard things will either bring a family together or break it apart. I've seen the damage caused by the latter, but I feel lucky and blessed that my family chooses to pull each other closer, or pull each other in closer. Big decisions about Chase will have to be made, but we will do it together. So that is pretty much it for this spread. I did go ahead and add a couple of things next to the dress because I felt that space next to the dress was a little bit blank, but you can see that on the Instagram picture if you want to head over there. So here is the finished spread all done. It looks very like spaced out, but this was kind of a boring week and not a lot happened, and I really like how this turned out actually. It's very like airy and pretty. I wish I had the full kit actually of this art. It's just beautiful and like watercolors, so pretty. But that being said, I do love this and how it turned out. It's so pretty. So this was a kind of a break from the very busyness that I have been doing lately. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this memory spread. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!